Hi folks, welcome back. So today we're going to see how we can reorder the demo. Changing the order of screens within a demo can be achieved by either dragging or dropping the screen to reorder or by connecting them with the arrows to signify the order within the canvas. So let's go ahead and check this out. So let's say I want to place A3 before A2, so I can do this and let's click on OK. Here we go. And by dragging and dropping the arrows, you can do this. I will extend this arrow till this, and then I will connect A3 to B1. Here we go. Thank you, folks. Please stay tuned for further videos.